Okay, so in today's tutorial, we'll be looking into how we can import vector data in QGIS. Last time we saw how the different interfaces, the general interface, the browse layer here in the layers tab, and the different tools located here, the processing toolbox. So today we'll start with how we can import data into QGIS. Specifically, we'll be looking into the vector data and how we can import and interpret different vector data. So to get started in the browser area, you can, last time we saw that you can browse to the location where you put your data. So I'll go to mine. I'll browse to where I put my data, and I'm going to open .shp or shapefile. So the way you can import it is you can left click and you can drag it like this and drop it in this space. Now, as you can see, the data has been opened, and it covers quite a large area actually. Okay, so if you see on the layers tab also here, the building outlines that have been added, the new layer has been added, and you can right click on this one and go to properties to get different information. The first one is I, which is information. Click on it and you can read different information on the data you imported. So its name is building outlines, and this is the location, the path where the shapefile data is currently stored. And here you have the file size and also the provider's name is listed here. And this is the extent of the data, and it has 286,956.59 parts in it. And the coordinate reference system is this one, EPSG 26917 NAD 83 / UTM zone 17 north. And the units used are meters, so you get a lot of information here. Yeah. Also here you have the option metadata. I think this one is if you want to add some data to it. And here you have the symbology. So currently, if you want to change the color of the data here, you have the option color. You can click on it and you can change the color. For instance, I'll make it black. Also, I can increase the width if I want, like this. And you can click on, and also you can change the line type. You can use a different line type. So click on apply, and oh, this is too much, so I will decrease the width maybe a little bit. Okay, now it's good. Okay. Now maybe this color, the black, is fine. Instead of the one that was earlier, it was hard to see, but this one is quite for the contrast with a white background. Yeah. So this is data of building outlines. And if you click on it, it changes color into yellow, which means it's selected. Another thing here, you can right click and it says open attribute table. So click on it and let's see what the data has in it. So the attribute table is extra information about what the data is about. So these data, they represent building structures, and they are in map format, and they are in 2D map format, and they have their own specific codes. And the year of this data is also here stated, 1999. Yeah, so the general purpose of the data is this. So another data year is 2013. So they have different year data, which means that it's a year of the building that's constructed. So different buildings, they are constructed in different times. So that's what this year is telling us, which is a crucial information if that's what is you are looking for. Yeah. So this is all about how you can import data. Okay, I don't know what this data is. Let's import this and see. Okay, now I've added a second shapefile. Here you can see in the layer section represented by an orange color. And what it does is it gave earlier it was just the boundary of the buildings. Now we have added color. We have filled the polygons with color information. Now let's see in the property section. Oh, you have the option also to change this color if you want. You can change it to this color. And here you have the units. Just like the earlier data, here you also have the description of the data like we saw earlier. So the type of data is polygon. I didn't check the earlier data. Let me check this one. The geometry type, it's line. Yeah. So the first shapefile data that we added is a line data. Here you can see the symbol also, it's a line. And the second data that we added is a polygon. So here also you can see the symbol of the polygon. So you get a lot of information like this one. Okay, let's go to the attribute table. open attribute table for this one. Looks like we don't have much. Okay. So I guess that will be all for today. So what we have done today is we have managed to import vector data into our working area in QGIS. So we have imported two types of data, the line data and polygon data. So next time we'll continue to build on this, and we'll see how we can further manipulate our vector data and do some further analysis in the upcoming tutorials. If you like the tutorial, please make sure to like and subscribe the channel. I'll see you next time with another tutorial. Thank you for watching. Take care.